For many of us, coffee is an essential part of daily life, with its vibrant, rich aroma and its unforgettable taste. It brings us together with family and friends, and it boosts us for our day ahead. In Middle Eastern culture, coffee is traditionally prepared on the stovetop in a copper vessel known as a bri or a rakwa. It's a beautiful way to make coffee, but it's often inconsistent, time-consuming, and it can get a little messy. Meet Zuzul, the coffee machine that creates delicious and authentic Arabic coffee in a new and convenient way. With Zuzul, your coffee is always consistent. It can prepare up to 10 cups at a time, so no more waiting by the stove when friends and family are over. Simply select the number of cups, add coffee and sugar, and let Zuzul take care of the rest. There are two modes. Automatic mode makes your coffee with the ideal crema at the push of a button, while manual mode allows you to boil the coffee multiple times, just as you like, as you would on the stovetop. Zuzul makes cleaning easy and mess-free with its self-cleaning function. Just place a container under the spout and press start.
Hi, I'm Joseph Atala, designer and inventor of Zuzul. After years of development and rigorous testing here in Sydney, Australia, our team has created what we believe is the easiest and most reliable way of making traditional Arabic coffee.
It was important to us that Zuzul be streamlined and robust. It's built from stainless steel, making it a stylish household appliance, while also being able to hold up in a commercial kitchen. And the convenient touch panel makes it simple for anyone to use. Right now, we're crowdfunding on Indiegogo to get the Zuzul coffee machine into production, and we'd love your support to make it possible. Visit our Indiegogo page and pre-order your Zuzul today. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying delicious, authentic Arabic coffee in a new, convenient way with Zuzul.
You've seen a lot of spoons in your life. This. This. To spoon, or not to spoon, and this. But today we bring you the spoon of the future. Ta-da! No kidding, introducing SpoonTEK, the spoon that enhances the way you taste food. Yes, really. So now if I taste yogurt, or ice cream, or soup, or even boiled broccoli. Lovely. This spoon's going to enhance the flavour and make you enjoy your meals even more. 12 hours and 55 minutes later. And here's the tech behind it. The spoon uses built-in ionic technology and is made with the best-in-class food-safe materials. That way, when your tongue touches the food, it instantly enhances the flavour via a small electrocurrent which passes through the food. This means you taste the difference without receiving any electric charge. The spoon is washable by hand and comes in multiple colours, so you can match it with your regular cutlery. So what are you waiting for? Get your SpoonTEK today.
Hi, I'm Cameron Davidow, co-founder of SpoonTEK based in New York City. I come from a family of product developers. Just over 20 years ago, my father and grandfather introduced the spoon in the lid packaging innovation for Colombo yogurt by General Mills. Now this nifty invention, featured on hundreds of millions of yogurt cups, changed the game for eating yogurt on the go. And now, just over 20 years later, my father Ken and I are excited to introduce another groundbreaking spoon innovation. We came up with the concept for SpoonTEK in 2017 and have been working on it for the past 3 years. SpoonTEK's unique technology combines the human body's energy, advanced electronics, and tongue sensory to enhance and heighten taste. Now, this is not a beta product. We've rigorously tested SpoonTEK and are currently in the process of producing molds for our very first batch. We've spent a significant amount of time and money into SpoonTEK over the past few years, and today are launching our first Indiegogo campaign to make this incredible product a reality. We can't wait for you to try SpoonTEK and for you to take your taste to a whole nother level. Get your SpoonTEK today for just $29 on Indiegogo.
If you have never heard of Himalayan salt before, it means you missed one of the miracles of the world. Himalayan salt is a light pink color and is widely used in cooking, which means you'll absolutely love G-salt. G-salt is not an ingredient for cooking, but it's also a tool. You can put G-salt on the grill bot and roast all types of meat. It will also serve as a cooking board, where you can slice anything you want and look damn cool at the same time. G-salt is comprehensive, meaning you can put it in the oven without any worries, on the stovetop, just anywhere you wish. By the way, G-salt is so easy to use on the stovetop, you can roast and slice meat or fish at the same time. And that's not enough. G-salt is not meant for serving only meat, but whatever it be, most importantly, G-salt doesn't ask for much care. It has an antibacterial surface. Just wash it with water, then dry. Pre-order your G-salt today with special discount and free shipping only on Indiegogo.
Wir hatten in den letzten 7 Jahren so gut wie jede Pfanne, die man kaufen kann, auf dem Herd. Eisenpfannen, Alugusspfannen, Teflonpfannen, Keramikpfannen, Induktionspfannen, Steakpfannen, Grillpfannen, billige Pfannen, teure Pfannen. Aber über keine einzige konnte ich je sagen, das ist meine Pfanne, die ist für mich perfekt. Deshalb haben wir etwas Neues geschaffen. Und zwar voll und ganz nach unseren eigenen Wünschen.
Perfekt zum Braten, Frittieren oder im Ofen. Langlebig, kratzfest und umweltfreundlich.
Die STUR Gusseisenpfanne. Mit allen Vorzügen einer traditionellen Gusseisenpfanne, aber mit einem längst überfälligen, modernen Twist.
Damit haben wir endlich eine Gusseisenpfanne, an der nichts anklebt. Ganz natürlich, ohne irgendwelche künstlichen Beschichtungen. Denn die Bratfläche wird anders als bei traditionellen Gusseisenpfannen fein ausgefräst und bereits im Werk durch Einbrennen veredelt. Für Anti-Haft-Eigenschaften, die mit fast jeder beschichteten Pfanne mithalten können. Und das alles gepaart mit der für Gusseisen typischen Wärmespeicherkapazität, was sie perfekt macht für so ziemlich jedes Gericht.
Egal ob gebraten, gebacken, frittiert, auf Elektro, Gas, Induktionsherd oder sogar auf dem Grill. Gleich mit der ersten Idee haben wir direkt unsere Community mit einbezogen. Was haltet ihr davon? Worauf legt ihr Wert? Und nach 7 Monaten am Schreibtisch mit Skizzieren, Modellieren und unzähligen Prototypen haben wir endlich unsere perfekte Form gefunden. Unseren ersten echten Guss in der Hand zu halten, war ein Moment purer Magie für mich. Jedes Detail vollkommen. Der Griff sicher und geschmeidig in der Hand, balanciert und nicht zu schwer für jeden Tag, aber trotzdem schön massig. Und euer Feedback für den Look ist fantastisch. In der Herstellung setzen wir auf eine Kombination aus Tradition und modernen, hochpräzisen Nachbearbeitungsmethoden von einem Werk mit jahrzehntelanger Erfahrung. Und das alles von A bis Z, made in Germany. Aber immer wieder hören wir, Gusseisen ist doch kompliziert und nur was für Profis. Absolut nicht. Und genau das wollen wir mit unserer STUR Gusseisenpfanne beweisen. Und wenn du diese Kampagne unterstützt, bekommst du automatisch kostenfreien Zugang zu unserem Videokurs, in dem wir dir zeigen, wie man die Pfanne ohne großen Aufwand ein Leben lang in Schuss hält und jeden Tag die besten Gerichte zaubert.
So, aber Gussformen und Fresswerkzeuge sind teuer. Und damit wir mit der Serienproduktion loslegen können, brauchen wir eure Hilfe.
Bitte unterstützt uns dabei, dieses Meisterstück in die Welt bzw. in eure Küchen zu bringen.